Welcome to this strategic analysis on the edge cloud continuum. We will explore how balancing local speed with central scale helps us defy the limits of physics and computing. The shift to distributed intelligence is driven by physical limits. Cloud computing faces latency and bandwidth issues. Edge computing moves processing closer to the data source to filter noise and enable real-time insights. The future is the distributed edge continuum, a hybrid partnership. When milliseconds matter, distance creates latency. Applications needing instant responses, like autonomous vehicles, require immediate reaction times. The edge advantage processes data locally, reducing latency to under 10 milliseconds, a critical improvement over cloud response times. Edge computing solves the bandwidth crisis by acting as a filter. As data volume explodes, the cost of streaming raw data becomes prohibitive. Processing raw data locally and sending only valuable insights reduces bandwidth and network congestion. Edge systems ensure continuity and sovereignty. Improved reliability means operations continue autonomously even with intermittent cloud connectivity. Enhanced security and privacy keep sensitive data on site, aiding regulatory compliance and protecting intellectual property. The edge and the cloud have distinct specialized roles. The edge, the sprinter, excels at immediate processing, local actions, and real-time feedback. The cloud, the heavy lifter, is ideal for heavy computation, massive storage, and historical analysis. The edge cloud continuum is a fluid, hybrid model. Edge provides speed, handling the now locally. Cloud provides scale, handling the history centrally. Orchestration ensures data flows seamlessly based on need for optimal efficiency. For autonomous mobility, the edge role is safety, making local braking decisions with zero latency when a pedestrian is detected. The cloud role is optimization, sending traffic and road condition data to update fleet routing maps. The future is not about choosing one technology. The edge cloud continuum is a mature architecture where workload placement is dictated by data needs, not technical limitations. Leverage the edge for speed and the cloud for scale, orchestrating both for performance.